Transtar Product and No Mix application. Blow the part off to remove any dust present. Whenever possible, blow out inside areas and jams. To clean the panel, we're using 1394 Aquascat 2 waterborne degreaser. Clean and degrease the panel using the appropriate cleaner for the substrate type. Thoroughly wet the part, then wipe it with a clean lint-free cloth until the part is dry. Do not allow the cleaner to dry on the panel. Thoroughly tack off the part with a quality tack cloth. On this repair, we're using LV631 No Mix Low VOC Sealer. We will apply 1 medium wet coat. Allow a 10-minute flash time for the sealer before base coat application. Apply 2 to 3 coats of base coat, or until hiding is achieved. Remember, from our sprayout, we learned that this color should only need 2 coats to hide. Apply an even medium wet coat. Allow a 10 to 15 minute flash time before the application of the next coat. Apply the final coat of base coat medium wet. Pay attention to spray overlap and ensure you get complete coverage. Because of No Mix's superior metallic control, a drop coat is not required. Allow the final coat of base to flash 20 minutes before the application of Clearcoat. Thoroughly tack the part off before Clearcoat application. On this repair, we're using Nomix LV661 Euro Clearcoat for the Clearcoat layer. Apply a full wet coat, then allow 10 minutes of flash time before the next coat. After the 10-minute flash, apply a second wet coat of clear. The application of the Clearcoat completes the refinishing process with the Nomix system. After drying, the vehicle can be reassembled for delivery in like-new condition.